Hi everyone, quick update for you. This Revolut Business account you're seeing on the screen just got approved. This client contacted me directly after watching our previous video on the Revolut because his application was stuck and he did not want to risk rejection. Once he reached out, we reviewed his business details, fixed the weak points in the application, and guided him to step by step and submitted everything the right way. And the result is right in front of you, approved without issues. This is exactly why I always say don't rely on guesses or trial and error with Revolut. If you're serious about getting your Revolut account approved smoothly, especially for business, reach out after watching our video. Real cases, rare approvals. Our WhatsApp number is given in the comment section. Thank you. In this section, merchant, you can apply and get the merchant access for your business and charge the clients with the payment links. And here, this is the treasury one. I don't know what is it, but one of their sections. We provide services for the all banks, Payoneer, Wise, for Airwallex, and many more on the list for your company. Those who say our WhatsApp number is not given in the comment section, here is our WhatsApp number. You can either call us or do send a message on the WhatsApp, and we will be starting out on your projects. Okay. You can add money into your Revolut business account using these options: easy bank transfer, and lastly, you must have a business registered in the UK or European countries to have a business Revolut. And after you have formed your company, you can contact us and we will start your application.